This is Melissa from ComfyComfy, and I'm going to share with you the characteristics that make our buckwheat pillows such a high-quality product. Buckwheat pillows are unlike any other pillows out there because they are supportive and mold to your body's unique shape. This means your body is properly supported during sleep. When we designed ComfyComfy Buckwheat pillows, we chose the best possible materials to give our customers high-quality, comfortable pillows. Let me show you how our pillows compare with other buckwheat pillows, starting with our fabric. We couldn't find a fabric on the market to meet our standards, so we designed our own. Our custom woven cotton twill is made from 100% organic cotton that is grown and woven in the US. We feel products used so close to our faces should be free from any toxins. Take a closer look at our fabric. It's got this wonderful texture, and you can see that it is woven tightly. When you rub the fabric between your fingers, you can feel the thickness of it. This keeps the buckwheat hulls well contained in the pillow. The fabric is brushed, so it's also soft to the touch. Buckwheat pillows are heavier than other kinds of pillows, so we wanted to make sure that we had a fabric that would be durable for years to come, but also be comfortable. Now let's have a look at our buckwheat hulls that we use in our pillows. The buckwheat hulls in our pillows are the highest grade possible. This means the majority have retained their 3D triangular shape and allow air to flow through and moisture to wick away while you're sleeping. Now, if I squeeze the hulls, you will see that they have a sort of springiness to it. This characteristic of untreated buckwheat hulls makes our pillows more comfortable. Here are buckwheat hulls from a different company. These hulls have been roasted because they were imported. As you can see, these hulls do not have a 3D triangular shape and aren't springy, so they cannot provide good airflow or support. So when you are choosing a buckwheat pillow, make sure to see what condition the hulls are in and learn where they are from. Now let's look at the zippered opening on our pillows. Our pillows have an invisible YKK zipper so that it is flush against the pillow. We make sure our zippers are sewn in securely so that there are no gaps for buckwheat hulls to escape. Having a zipper on your buckwheat pillow is important because it allows you to adjust the height and the firmness of your pillow. We all have different sleeping preferences. Some like to sleep on their backs, others like to sleep on their sides, so the amount of buckwheat hulls in your pillow should be adjustable to fit your body's unique shape. We include an extra bag of hulls with our comfy sleep pillows so that you can add more loft if you want an even higher pillow. Here's what a comfy sleep pillow looks like straight out of the box. Here is one where all the extra hulls have been added, and here is one where some of the hulls have been removed. I sleep on my back, and this is how much hulls I like to have in my pillow. You can see the differences in height, so they can truly be adjusted to suit your body and preference. Let's have a look at how you can adjust the pillow when you're getting ready for bed. Now, the key to adjusting the pillow so that it becomes the perfect pillow for you is that you have to fluff it up by squeezing the sides. When you do that, it allows the pillow to mold to your head and neck. This pillow is too high for me, so my head is tilted forwards and I will probably wake up with a sore neck. This pillow is too low for me, so it isn't able to support my head and my neck, so my muscles are not able to relax and recuperate during sleep. This pillow is perfect for me, so my head is more aligned and my neck is able to relax and I'll wake up feeling refreshed. You can also reshape the pillow as you're lying down. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them. All our pillows come with a 30-day trial period, so you have nothing to worry about. ComfyComfy is a family business with 2 branches, one in the USA and one in Canada. If you order a pillow in the US, it is made completely in the US. If you order a pillow in Canada, it is made in Canada with Canadian-grown buckwheat hulls and our US custom woven fabric. Thank you from the ComfyComfy family.